We are going to see how we can create song through SUNO AI. Let us celebrate Valentine's Day with SUNO music. Let us listen the magical music.
My brother, we first met, he is my sibling, a bond so strong and forever unbreakable. You showed me the way, guided me through the storm, a mentor, a friend, my heart you adore, my brother. You're my guiding light when life gets tough. Through the highs and lows, we stand strong, together faithful. Forever and ever.
Thank you, SUNO, for being there for me to create wonderful music for my brother. See you in the next video. Do subscribe to watch my new videos. Take care, bye-bye.